That should be illegal. It's like fucking cartoon.
I just ate that, and that is used by the 17th, and it's the 16th December. I feel like crap.
Never said you're gonna do that. Move me. Never said that you would do that. No, love me. Never said that you would do that. No, babe. Look what you do to me. No.
Baby, I'm chilling outside. Baby, come and look into my eyes. Yeah, I know the feeling is right. Yeah, I just need you tonight. Need you tonight.
How much was that tripod?
This was like
500
500 and something, and then the GoPro was like 600 something. I don't drink, bro. I don't drink. I'm not an alcohol consumer, so
You save
this is
lots
what.
of money.
Yeah, this is exactly. Yeah, this is what I do. My money goes here, so I'm just as bad as you. And I don't spend my money, but at least I put it where my mouth is, not this. But yeah.
We do too, with alcohol.
Yeah, with alcohol. Yeah. I just put different content in my mouth. Oh shit, that didn't sound right.
You said it, mate.
Yeah. Something could happen, bro. Oh, you get a tetanus shot, a booster, and then again another booster. What? You might turn into a Terminator. That shit's scary, bro. Shit. Oh. How do you open your boot? How do you open the boot? It was hectic when we were trying to open it. Yeah. Ronnie, always the last person doing things.
Not really.
I knew you'd be feeling this out now.
No, man.
You've never been on time with things, bro.
No, he's
Always late. Always late.
This guy is speculating. So.
He's speculating, but it's the truth. I just like telling the truth.
He's known it for years.
But isn't it true?
It's probably.
Baby girl, you're coming around. I know you're staying around because you never wanna leave. Bumper clock, and then I go in and out, and then I hear your sound saying I'm everything you need. Ooh yeah, you wanna know where we can go? All the way to Fernando. You wanna be my Nintendo, but you gotta know I don't play no game.
Everything I say is true. I'll be a mess without you. And I hold you down, you don't need to miss me. Just let it wanna just.
She making me weak check, grind the check, raise the check and got the lighter check. Roll the weed and let me smoke the cess. You can lay up on my chest. She making me weak check, grind the check, raise the check and got the.
Look at that nice butt.
That is one smooth butt. Right? Oh, look at that. Oi, Ronnie, look how smooth this butt is.
Yeah, but you know these horses are actually hairy. They actually shave them.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
That's why they're so smooth.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, man. They groom them down.
Damn.
If you look at a wild horse, it looks furry.